Through this video, I'm going to explain to you how to find the Porsche dealer in Miami Gardens. We'll discuss what must be done to buy a Porsche. 1. Hunt for Porsche dealers in your area, then look for dealerships that have lots of parking and easy access. 2. Read reviews of the Porsche dealer in Miami Gardens from individuals who have purchased a car there before. 3. Check out reviews of the Porsche dealer in Miami Gardens on Yelp or Google. 4. Browse through the Porsche dealership's inventory, to see what they offer and how many cars are currently on their lot. 5. Contact the dealer and ask them about their policies, loaning options, warranty protection. The Porsche dealer must be somebody who knows what he or she is speaking about and can give you satisfactory answers to your questions without making you feel nervous. 6. What is your budget? The greater amount of money you would spend on a car, the better quality of car you'll be able to get, but if cost is an issue for you, go ahead and ask around. Follow the link in the description to talk to a Porsche dealer in Miami Gardens. Thanks a lot for viewing this video.